Hi, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, P&M Gasser wheels, beautiful wheels from Performance Machine. As you can see, 16 by 3.5 front, really nice quality, solid billet, as you can see. Okay, made up the axle spaces, etc. This is a one-off bike because it's got a 250 rear tyre, so we actually had to make the hubs, or machine the hubs up to fit. But it's a beautiful Maltese cross disc, which I think are pretty cool. Okay, old school stuff going on there. Stainless steel. They're on offer at the moment, $125 a piece. Fit any Harley, whether it's a billet wheel or a normal wheel, 5-hole. We do for Evos or later as well. But this 250 tyre, actually being a Dunlop Elite 3, actually measures 260. So quite a few problems there getting the thing to fit in with the wheel alignment and the pulley. Lots of spaces had to be made and messed around with, but it's all possible with a lathe, etc. But as you can see, very pleasing look. We've got a matching pulley down, so super cool looks. Beautiful bike, very cool pulled bike. As you can see, very cool wheels. This is one of the wheel packages we do. Obviously you can get the P&M discs, which are crazy money, it'll be 300 quid a disc. But these particular Maltese, or whichever style you want, we do like a radial disc. We do different styles. But just give us a call on 177383566. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Do call, because we have got a lot of specials which aren't on the website. Okay, so you will find a way better deal if you phone up. Okay, don't buy on the website, give us a call. We always have weekly specials, which most of the time we do put on the app. If you've downloaded the app, Custom Cruisers app, you'll get offers on that. But we can do you a great deal. These Dunlop Elite 4s, super duper touring tyre, last a lot longer than a normal tyre. Very hard middle, soft sides, so you've got the best of both worlds. If you're interested, give us a call. Thank you. Milwaukee 8 stuff is now on the Custom Cruisers, all one word, .eu. Okay, that website should be taking over very shortly. At the moment, it's not finished. Thank you.